Welcome to another story of Akbar and Birbal. Once upon a time, there lived a trader who was a miser. Miser means conjuse, a person who doesn't like to spend a lot of money, is stingy. So this trader was a miser. One day, he decided to get a portrait of his done. Portrait means a painting of oneself. Those days, there were no photographs and all of that, right? So people used to get a painting of theirs done. So he called for a painter to get a portrait made. The painter gave it a try and presented it to the trader. The trader went through it and said, "Nah, I don't think the portrait resembles me." The painter said, "Okay, fine, I'll give it one more try." The painter again presented another portrait and gave it to the trader. This time too, he said, "No, I don't think that the portrait resembles me." This went on and on for the fourth time, the sixth time, the eighth time, and now the painter was really irritated and annoyed because the trader was not ready to give him money at all, saying that the portrait doesn't resemble me. So the painter decided to go to Akbar's court. He went there and narrated the entire story. Akbar looked at the pictures and said, "What's wrong in this?" The trader said, "No, I don't agree. The portrait doesn't resemble me. I want something which is a ditto copy of mine. This portrait doesn't capture that." Now Akbar was in a fix. How does he give justice? That's when Birbal comes. Birbal realized that this trader is trying to behave smart and needs to be taught a lesson. So he looked at the paintings and said, "Indeed, these portraits are not exactly like what the trader is." And then he looked at the painter and said, "I give you 3 days' time. On the fourth day, you need to present a portrait which is exactly similar to the trader." And he said, "Trader, you also come on the fourth day. And if the painter presents a portrait which is exactly similar to your features, you will have to give 10 times the amount that you have promised." The trader said, "Okay." The painter was a little sad, went back. Birbal then went to the painter and gave him a brilliant idea. On the fourth day, both the painter and the trader came to the court. And the painter presented a covered portrait to the trader. The trader opened the portrait and sees that it is a mirror. It is a reflection of himself that he sees. It resembles him to the T. The trader said, "But this is not what I wanted. This is a mirror." Birbal said, "But you wanted something which resembles you to the T. This is what it is. Now you have to pay 10 times the amount that you had promised to the painter." That's how Birbal taught a very good lesson to the miser trader. I hope you enjoyed the story. Thank you. Bye.